Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to take you on a culinary journey around the world, as we review 10 of the most delicious and unique foods from different countries. Do you think street food is better than homemade food? I guess your thought is as good as mine. Whether street food or homemade food is better is subjective and depends on individual preferences and circumstances. Both have their own advantages and disadvantages. Street food is often convenient and readily available. It's also a great way to explore local cuisine and culture when traveling. Many street food vendors have been in business for generations, using family recipes that have been passed down over time. The variety of street food available is vast, and it's usually very affordable. However, the hygiene and cleanliness of the preparation and serving areas can sometimes be a concern, and some people may experience stomach issues after consuming street food. On the other hand, homemade food can be more nutritious and customizable to individual dietary needs and preferences. It's also typically prepared with fresh ingredients, and the preparation and cooking methods are usually more hygienic. Additionally, cooking at home can be a fun and rewarding experience, allowing people to experiment with different flavors and techniques. However, preparing homemade food can be time-consuming and may require some level of culinary skills and equipment. Ultimately, whether street food or homemade food is better depends on the context and individual preferences. Both can be delicious and satisfying in their own ways, and it's up to each person to decide which they prefer based on their taste, time, and resources. Now, what are the top 10 most delicious and unique foods from different countries you must try? First up, we have sushi from Japan. Sushi is a traditional Japanese dish with vinegared rice and various toppings such as raw fish, vegetables, and eggs. We tried a variety of sushi rolls and sashimi, and the freshness and quality of the ingredients were unparalleled. The delicate and balanced flavors made for a truly unforgettable dining experience. Next, we traveled to Italy for some authentic pizza. We visited a pizzeria in Naples, the birthplace of pizza, and tried the classic margherita pizza. The pizza was made with fresh tomatoes, mozzarella cheese, and basil, and cooked in a wood-fired oven. The crust was crispy on the outside and chewy on the inside, and the toppings were simple yet incredibly flavorful. For a taste of spicy and flavorful cuisine, we traveled to Thailand for some pad thai. This popular street food dish is made with stir-fried rice noodles, vegetables, and meat or shrimp, and is seasoned with fish sauce, tamarind, and chili powder. The dish was sweet, sour, and spicy, with a perfect balance of flavors that left us wanting more. Moving on to France, we tried their famous croissants. The croissants were flaky and buttery, with a delicate and crispy texture. The aroma of the freshly baked croissants was irresistible, and the taste was just as heavenly. In South America, we tried ceviche from Peru. Ceviche is a dish made with raw fish marinated in lime juice, chili peppers, and onions. The acidity of the lime juice cooked the fish perfectly, and the flavors were bright and refreshing. The dish was served with sweet potatoes and corn, which added a nice contrast of textures and flavors. For a taste of the Middle East, we tried shawarma from Lebanon. Shawarma is a dish made with thinly sliced meat, usually chicken or lamb, that's marinated in spices and slow roasted on a spit. The meat was juicy and tender, and the spices were aromatic and flavorful. The dish was served with pita bread and a variety of toppings such as pickles, lettuce, and garlic sauce. Next, we visited Mexico for some authentic tacos. We tried a variety of tacos, including carne asada, al pastor, and fish tacos. The tacos were served with fresh cilantro, onions, and lime wedges, and the meat was seasoned to perfection. The flavors were bold and spicy, and the tacos were a true representation of Mexican cuisine. Moving on to India, we tried butter chicken. Butter chicken is a popular Indian dish made with chicken that's marinated in yogurt and spices, and then cooked in a tomato-based gravy with butter and cream. The chicken was tender and flavorful, and the gravy was rich and creamy, making for a comforting and satisfying meal. For a taste of the Caribbean, we tried jerk chicken from Jamaica. Jerk chicken is a dish made with chicken that's marinated in a blend of spices such as allspice, thyme, and Scotch bonnet peppers, and then grilled or smoked. The chicken was juicy and flavorful, with a nice balance of heat and sweetness. Lastly, we visited Greece for some authentic moussaka. Moussaka is a layered dish made with eggplant, ground meat, and bechamel sauce. The dish was baked to perfection, with a crispy and golden top layer and a warm and comforting filling. The flavors were bold and savory. Let us know in the comments which one is your favorite. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more good content. Thanks for watching.